Hello beautiful! As many of you know, I've been asking you to leave your requests for Halloween looks and Sexy Vampire was one of the most requested ones. So here it is. And okay, let's begin. As many of you know, vampires have very pale skin. Therefore, the first thing you want to do is apply a foundation which is several shades lighter than your skin tone. I personally don't have it, so I'm going to mix 2 shades together and then apply this foundation of new color to my face. Now let's go on to our eye makeup. So what should be our first step? Yep, that's right, primer. Apply it to a whole moving lid to eliminate any possible creasing. Move on to your eyeshadows. First, I'm adding some tape to define the angle, and second, I'm adding dark pink color to my crease with the help of the fluffy dome brush. Now before we start filling in the lid with a black eyeshadow, let's add some highlighter under the arch of the brow. This will also help softening the pink line on the crease. Next is the black eyeshadow. Using a small shading brush, apply the eyeshadow to your moving lid. Do it with small dabbing motions because otherwise you might have a huge fallout. And once the eyeshadow is applied, use a fluffy dome brush to blend the pink and black colors together, and you'll get a smooth transition. Okay, now remove the tape and apply some black gel eyeliner to your waterline. You can leave the lower lash line as it is right now or repeat the same routine as on the upper lid. I personally decided to add some black eyeshadow to the lower lash line and then add some dark pink eyeshadow a bit below the black one. Now to finish off our eye makeup, let's add a strip of false eyelashes close to the upper lash line. And then add some mascara to the lower lash line. Before we spoil our beautiful look with fangs and blood, let's make it even prettier. I'm adding some blush to my cheeks and then moving on to my lips. I apply some black lipstick to the outer corners of my lips and then some red sleek Pout paint to the center of my lips. And by the way, I really adore this product. Finally, add some fangs and you're good to go. You can also add some fake blood if you want the look to be scarier, but other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay always happy, healthy and beautiful, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. Thanks and bye.